Do you know what keeps 500 plus students healthy and hydrated every single day? 500 LPH compact RO plant, just installed at the girls' hostel, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Bangalore campus. Now, more than 500 students enjoy clean, pure, and safe RO water daily for drinking and cooking. At Bangalore Aqua, we specialize in installing RO plants for hostels, colleges, hospitals, industries, and more, ensuring safe water for every purpose. Pure water, trusted service, Bangalore Aqua, Karnataka's most reliable RO plant supplier.